What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Secret Sneaker Society, and I am back dropping another pair of Air Force Ones for you guys. Alright, so here we go. Today, this is actually a woman's pair of Air Force Ones back from 2004. But you know how I do. I copped them in a size 13 so that they would fit fresh and clean. Boom. These are black and like a powder blue throughout the entire sneaker. I freaking love these things. I love the way that they look. I don't know, they're just clean. They don't look like a girl's sneaker at all. Not like one tiny bit, and I don't really know what else to say about it. It's just a classic looking shoe, and most time even people who know Air Forces don't really know this shoe because of the fact that it was a girl's shoe. Anyways, enough talking, you know how we do. Let's get to the review. Alright, boom. There you go. So as you can see, it is a relatively simple shoe for the most part. Alright, mainly the main key to this is that the accent stitching is all sky blue. I'm not sure if it looks white in the video, but trust me when I tell you that is not white. So this whole thing right here is just this very soft, clean looking leather, and it feels that way too. It's very smooth. It's not as rough as some other leather is. You got a nice all black rubber bottom, and then of course you got sky blue as well along the bottom of the shoe and on the bottom there. Boom, gorgeous. That accent stitching on the swoosh itself is beautiful. The back of the shoe, same thing, accent stitching everywhere. There you go, top, bottom, Nike Air stitched in. Kaboom. And then last but not least, only because the lighting's a little poor, I'm gonna tilt that. There you go, same thing on that side. And from the front, this is what I love about this shoe. It's like nice black, blue, and then you got the Nike swoosh right there, and then you got these gorgeous looking sky blue laces, and then you got the sky blue Air Force One on the tag as well. And then there you go, same thing on the inside, all sky blue all day. Holla. Alright, let me give you a quick view. There you go, that is them like that. Freaking looking beautiful. And one last time, we'll switch it over to the side view. And there is the side view as well. Like I said, really nice pair. Really hard to come by in a man's size, because a lot of them were made for women. A lot of the size runs I ever see of these are basically like a 7.5, 8 in women's, which translates to a U size in men's. But anyways, you know how we do. This your boy Secret Sneaker Society, and I'm saying let's go sneakerheads. Peace.